Hey guys, welcome back to the next part of this live mixing session. The link to the artist is going to be down in the description below. Today, we're going to be working on specifically the male vocals. So this song has a male vocal, a female vocal, and today we're going to be going through my vocal processing on the male vocal. So let's jump right in. So the time has come to finally bring in some vocals. Golly, that's loud. Okay. It's a reminder telling me to update the MixChecks numbers. I will do that later. Remind me tomorrow. Okay. So first vocal comes in. So they actually kind of trade off, Tim and Courtney. So we'll start with Tim, then Courtney has a line, and then after that, she kind of goes into harmony mode. So, start with Mr. Tim. There we go. Draw near to me. So they're just singing on 58s, nothing special. Just normal live setup. So I have oh my gosh. These are going to kill me. Okay. I have a vocal chain I use that doesn't really involve this SSL too much, but I will leave it going through. Just do a little bit here. Make sure to turn off the gate. And then I'll take a little bit of 5 hundo out with the SSL and just let it do its thing, and then go into my normal vocal chain. And so I'm actually going to leave a space for pitch correction, but we're not going to use it yet. First step in the vocal chain is our de-esser. Where are you? So let's get this set. Draw near to me, for I have drawn near to you. And pull on the strings of my heart, for I long to respond to you. 'Cause all my love is for you, and all my love is yours. Okay, next in the chain, pretty much use all of the waves, Renaissance, aka R, EQ, R verb, not R verb, R de-esser, R compressor. Adds a nice character to the vocals, so I just keep it that way. Near to, for I have drawn near to you. And pull on the strings of my heart, for I long to respond to you. Me, for I have drawn near to you. Oh, near to me, for I have drawn near to you. And pull on the strings of my heart, for I long to respond to you. Okay, so it already has, some top end. I don't want to boost it any more than that and have it get all hissy. I'm just going to leave it simple EQ like that for now. And let's add some R compressors. I always do serial compression. I mean, if you've watched my other videos, I probably sound like a broken record. Always serial compression. I just like the way it sounds. I always do 2-to-1 ratio. First one.
Near to me, for I have drawn near to you.
And then with the next one, 4-to-1, same R compressor. And these aren't normal presets I'm using. These are ones that I set up for myself, so I didn't have to over and over and over again.
And pull on the strings of my heart, for I long to respond to you. 'Cause all my love is for you, and all my love is yours, and all my love.
Okay. So we're going to start with him. Let's fade him in, and then once we get his level right, then we'll move on to some effects, and then we'll move on to Courtney's vocal. So since we're compressing so much, we took off a lot of, probably about 10 to 12 dB of gain. So we're just going to add that back, give us a little bit of control over the fader.
To me, for I have drawn near to you. 'Cause all my love is for you, and all my love is yours, and all my love is for you, and all my love is yours. So draw near. Draw near to me, for I have drawn near.
Okay, so there's a little bit of a nasally thing going on, which is just, his interesting vocal character. So I'm actually going to try and help out with that. Because, I love his voice, but we don't want all that nasal to get through.
'Cause all my love is for you, and all my love is yours, and all my love is for you, and all my love is yours. So draw near. Draw near to me, for I have drawn near to you. Pull on the strings of my heart, for I long to respond to you. Sing all my love, and all my love is for you, and all my love is yours, and all my love is.
Okay, so now that we got a nice level, let's add some, number one, let's add him to the room a little bit. And then we'll add some nice smooth vocal reverb.
Near to me, for I have. 'Cause all my love is for you, and all my love is yours.
Okay. And I think for the vocal reverb itself, I'm actually going to whip out the waves reverb. Cool thing about the reverb is it actually gives you an EQ right inside it. Let's do that. Bump up our pre-delay. Probably don't want it to be that big. Let's bring down our time a little.
So draw near. Draw near to me, for I have drawn near to you. And pull on the strings of my heart.
Okay, so we got a nice combination going there. Then final, whoops, guess I didn't label that one. Say Vox verb, and let's go with some delay. I think I'm actually going to do, let's do some stereo delay.
For I long to respond to you, sing all my love, and all my love is for you, and all my love is yours.
To make sure, don't want those S's getting through our delay.
And all my love is for you, and all my love is yours. Sing all my love.
And then I'm actually going to send the delay back into the room, just like it would be if you were there. Because, you know, the front of house engineer, he would be mixing and he would be sending the delay through the mains and it would be going out into the room. So we're going to recreate that same thing. Going to, oops, I almost sent it to itself and created a feedback loop. That would have been bad. All right, going to the room, send the delays to the room.
And all my love is for you, and all my love is yours. You have it all, and all my love is for you, and all my love is
Okay, so now we're going to move on to the next vocal in the next video.